Hello guys, welcome back to another video here on my channel. Today I'm recording this after the video. So yeah, this video, I forgot to plug my mic in, but yeah, you can still enjoy the video. And yeah, watch this video and peace out.
I'll never surrender. I'll never surrender. I'll never surrender. Not going down. I'm gonna stand my ground till the final hour, till the fight is over. Gonna soldier on, 'cause I'm an army of one. Gonna feel my power till the fight is over, till the fight is over, till the fight is over. I'll never surrender. 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 There's a strength in me, got no defeat. I'm a survivor, this fight ain't over. 'Cause I'm rising up, never giving up, never say never. This fight ain't over, this fight ain't over, this fight ain't over. I'll never surrender. 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 I'm not going down without a fight. I'll never surrender.
So as we packed the bomb again, yeah, okay, yeah, keep continuing the pack opening. I'm in between, okay.
I'll never surrender. I'll never surrender. I'll never surrender.
Holy crap, what a pack. Oh my god. Ronaldo, Sergio, oh my god. Just continue the pack opening. Just continue it, just continue.
I'll never surrender.
Okay, when I was watching it, I got Ronaldo. Oh my god.
Living the dream, Sharp dress, combat boots and a fur vest. Top down, sunset, next level, not stress. When we were young, we couldn't rest. Gotta break the game to be the president. So here's to the freedom we know. Better hope we're ready to go. We're coming for ya. We're coming for ya. And everybody's gonna know.
This is not fake. I am the Pack King, legit. Okay, I'm not. This is not fake. Okay, continue the. Oh my.
We're coming for ya. We're coming for ya. And everybody's gonna know. Feeling good, getting rings. Drinks to the sky for the new king. More gold, more swing. Tiger strong, laser beam. Triple threat, the real thing. From Malibu right to the West Wing. So here's to the freedom we know. Better hope we're ready to go. We're coming for ya. We're coming for ya. And everybody's gonna know. We're coming for ya. We're coming for ya. And everybody's gonna know.
Okay, I swear to God, that's so rare. Oh my God, dude. Oh, okay. But oops. The pack up is go. Oh my God. How do I change the voice?
We're going high, we're getting higher. We're gonna fly till we touch the sky. Yeah. I'll ignite, never gonna tire. We're gonna shine till we catching fire. We're gonna fight, I am the tiger. You looking at me cause I put on a show. So here's to the freedom we know. Better hope that you're ready to go. We're coming for ya. We're coming for ya. And everybody's gonna know. We're coming for ya. We're coming for ya. And everybody's gonna know. Tired of waiting, lost while I'm sitting at home.
No. Dude, I'm watching this with back. This not. Okay.
You better leave it alone.
Ah.
I'd rather get up and go. How long can I lie around waiting for it? Sometimes you gotta walk out the door.
I'm watching this with back. What is happening? Two in a row.
No limits, no ceiling, no crown.
yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.